sis? Everything okay? So today I'm going to show you how to remove your upper lip hair with baking soda. It's unbelievable, guys, and you will love it too, because I use that almost like once or twice in a week, and you can also do that. It's very simple. You don't need to get any stress, and the people who are like really scared of doing the threading, or during this time they cannot go out and they cannot go for like any salons or something, so they can try this at home and you will get rid of the upper lips forever. Yes, that's true. So if you want to watch this video and more about this, then do subscribe to my channel and help me know what more things you would like to see and would like to learn from your sis. So no fear, your sis is here. As you all know that baking soda is so miracle, guys. I have like cured it for my pimples, for my face pores and all of this stuff, and it is so curable. You can use it for your hair, you can use it for your skin. Even some people eat it also, but I don't recommend that you have to seek a medical assistance for that. Yes, and also it's very beneficial for hair growth, and it stops the hair growth, make like all your odor is absorbed in it if you put it in your underarms, and it's amazing, guys. I cannot tell how much like beneficial and miracle that one single product is. So today I'm gonna show you like how to do that. So let's go and see how to do that. So guys, we only need two things. Very simple. We need baking soda, and this one is baking soda. Anywhere you can find it, and it's very cheap, and you can find it in your convenience store or Walmart or anywhere. And we need water. So we're gonna add the water here, and you have to make the consistency like it's thick so that it's not that runny. So I just mix some water in it, and as you can see, it's like okay. I just make a little bit of water so you can see the consistency is okay, guys. So I am gonna put it here. You can use your finger or your brush. I'm using my finger. So I'm gonna put this, as you can see, if you can see it clearly. Yeah, as you can see, the consistency is just fine, and I'm gonna put it here. And now I'm gonna wait 20 minutes until it's dry, and then I'm gonna replay this video. So we wait for 20 minutes to it to dry. So as you can see, it's all dried, and I can feel like really dry here. So now what you're gonna do is we're gonna rub it off from our face. I know I look funny, but it's okay. Okay. Can you see how I'm doing it? Rub it off. So it's all rubbed off. Now I'm gonna wash it with the plain water, and then I'm gonna show you. Okay, guys, I already cleaned with the water, and you can see that this part is getting like really clean, and it's very soft. Now I'm gonna moisturize it. And once you also do it, you have to clean it and then moisturize it. Guys, this is the tip, very useful, and I did myself, and it's really effective. But you need to be consistent, and you need to be like doing it every week, like for 2 or 3 days. You can do it. I usually do for 3 days. So you can also do that, and you can see remarkable changes within 2 to 3 months. You have to follow that if you want to get rid of this upper lip forever. Okay, guys, I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I will see you in this cool video.